Hello there. Today we are talking about the hand to mouth hustle in your auto repair shop. It's day 20 of Shop Talk, the 30-day reset for auto repair shop owners. I'm Rachel Evans, CEO and founder of the Workshop Whisperer, where we've been helping auto repair shop owners just like you to achieve business success for the last 12 years. Now, what is the hand to mouth hustle, first of all? Well, it's a phenomenon that you will likely have experienced in your auto repair business at some point. And once I describe it to you, you may recognize that it's where you are at right now. Basically, what it means is that the income you receive through your EFTPOS machine each day is then immediately being allocated to pay for something that was due that day or overdue. So you fall into a situation where you're relying on the settlement of the EFTPOS machine each day to keep you with your nose only just above water. So when you are experiencing cash flow challenges and the booking diary is quiet, you will notice that you are even more reliant on what is going to settle on that particular day. It's most often stressful when you're relying on it to meet payroll for the week, when you've got debt repayments that are due, maybe for equipment finance, your credit card payment is due, maybe even the rent or the mortgage payment for the shed. So we call that the hand to mouth hustle. You're booking in work, you're hoping as much of it can be serviced, repaired, completed, and paid for on the day so that you can continue to fund the business and put the roller door up tomorrow. I'm sure you'd agree from when you either remember that you're in that situation or if you're in that situation right now, that is a very stressful way to operate a business, and it causes the stress to leak out into your personal life. If that's the 2025 that you've had, I really want you to consider how much that is affecting your life, how much it is causing you to be thinking about the stresses of the hand to mouth hustle, even when you're not at work, how much it's affecting your time with your spouse and your family, and how it's taking away your ability to be present at this time of year, which today is December 30. So many of you, if you're watching this today as I publish it, you will be on some kind of downtime. But if you are experiencing this right now and you've kept the workshop open on the business days that aren't public holidays, and it's because you need money to settle, because tomorrow's end of month, you've got your end of month payments that need to be made. Today's a great day to decide that this is your line in the sand moment. What you're hearing from me today about the hand to mouth hustle is your come to Jesus moment. Everything is divine timing, seeing as we're talking about Jesus. So if you're seeing this and it's made its way into your feed, it's because enough's enough. You actually don't have to operate your business that way. You don't have to operate it and be watching the daily EFTPOS total or what's been transferred into your bank account so you can meet payroll tomorrow, so that you can clear the GST or sales tax payment over to the government, so that you can pay your employee entitlements on time, so that you can clear your end of month bills. You don't even actually have to run your business that way, but it's what you've fallen into. And now you've got the idea that this is just business. Well, even the best cash flow businesses will experience certain points in the year where things might be a little bit tighter than others. But the reason those businesses got to be good cash flow businesses wasn't luck. It was because of what they put in place to get them out of the hand to mouth hustle. So if you've had a 2025 that was really challenging, and it was the case for so many auto repair shop owners and even just so many small businesses, 2025 was a hard year, and many people are currently suffering in silence and not asking for the help that is so easily available to them to get out and off struggle street. So you've got a couple of days to mull this over after seeing this video. And if you're the type of person that needs evidence before you can move towards any kind of solution, then go deep in our YouTube channel here. We have over 500 videos of me sharing best business practice specifically for auto repair shops, including many testimonials from our clients who have come to us with this exact issue of cash flow challenge, waiting for the EFTPOS machine to settle so they can pay the bills that are already overdue. From our YouTube channel, head over to our Facebook page, our Instagram page, head to our website. Come and join us on our free Facebook group, Your Profitable Auto Repair Shop. There's 4,000 other auto repair shop owners in there, auto repair shop owners only, not employees as well. And you can read through the posts of how we share for free to help you have a better business so you can have a better life. At some point, though, if you recognize that you actually don't know how to stop the hand-to-mouth hustle from happening, then reach out for help. Because I guarantee you, there is so much that we share for free, and we will always help more people for free than we ever will inside of our paid programs. But if we put all of this out here for you to access at no charge, just think what you'll be able to achieve if you are inside one of our programs, getting our dedicated expert eyes on your business, inside your financials, inside what's going on in your shop, inside what's going on in your leadership and your culture and your marketing and your customer service, what's happening at your service desk, what's happening with your productivity and efficiency and the other 15 benchmarks that we monitor. You can decide enough's enough. No more hand-to-mouth hustle. We have tickets coming up to our next client event where you can come and be our guest and have an all-access pass to see exactly what we work on and how we do it at next to no risk. But the decision is yours. The only change that is going to occur because you decide it's going to happen. So if you can't wait for 2025 to finish, or whenever you come to watch this video and you're ready to start fresh in 2026 and you're putting your hand up and you're saying, I admit I just don't know what to do differently, or I want expert eyes on my business so that I can do it properly this time and do it faster and more sustainably, then it's time to reach out. No more hand-to-mouth hustle. 2026, clean slate for you. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I'm back here for another 10 days doing these videos in our auto repair shop reset. And like I said, there's more than 500 videos here on this channel. If you need evidence that we know what we're talking about, start consuming. It costs nothing. Start consuming the videos. Have a look at us on Instagram. Have a look at us on Facebook. Go check out our website. Download one of our free books. Check it out. No more hand-mouth hustle. It's over. We're finished with that in 2025. Like this video, please. Help it go far and wide. See you tomorrow.